Did you know that people prefer good audio quality over good video quality? Yes, you heard me correct. People do prefer better audio quality over video quality. Like if they have been given a video that has very good picture quality but have okay audio quality or very poor audio quality, then they will definitely skip those videos. Over if they have been given a video that has very good audio quality but a poor video quality, then they will definitely be okay with it. So and the market of microphone, you can get a microphone from 200 rupees to 60-70,000 of rupees. And in those market, BOYA M1 has received a very good feedback from all over the creators. And in today's video, I'll see and I'll show you how this thing is, like how this thing holds up. So let's just see. But before that, let me just show you like how does it look. So it's BOYA and it's a lavalier microphone. As you can see, it is BOYA BY-M1. It's super sound for presentation and video recording. And as you can see, lavalier microphone for smartphone. For smartphone, camcorders, DSLRs, audio recorders, PC, and etc. And you can see like all those details, like hardware details, specification, like it has signal to noise ratio as 74 decibels and a sensitivity of minus 30 decibel and all those stuff. And as you can see, the price written over here is 2000 rupees. The price, as you can see, it has been written as 2000 rupees and it's made in China. Actually the BOYA is a Chinese company. And okay, so without any further ado, let's unbox it. Okay, so let's unbox it. Let me first see how it's open. So yes, okay, so you get a pouch. So first let's see what else is in the box. You get some paperwork, and this is, I guess, the warranty. Yes, this is the warranty card. It's written in English and it's written in Chinese. So okay, if we just keep that aside, this is the user manual. Okay, so as you can see, it's written in Chinese and English. Therefore, like, let's just keep this aside for a second and let's focus on the actual thing. It's a silica gel. Okay, so man, what the hell? Okay, so okay, we'll see what is that. There is some velcro inside it. I don't know what. Okay, so this is a velcro, like the like to keep the wires tidy. Okay, this is the actual thing, but let's just see what is this. This might be the they call it pop filter, I don't know, that black meshy thing that you put over the microphone. So if I just unbox it, open it. Oh, you get a battery and okay, I see. you get this pop filter. Okay, you get a clip so that you can put it on your shirt so that it can stay in its place, and you get a battery. And for tidiness, this thing has velcro. Okay, let's just keep it for a minute. So okay, first this is a microphone. It's a tiny module. Okay, first let me show you. If you want to shoot it, like if you want to use it with your smartphone, then it should be down, and if you want to use it with your camera, then flick it to the top and it will switch to camera. And as you can see, there's a subtle color that is green color right now, and if you flick it down, then it shows red color. That's a nice little touch in my opinion. Okay, and there's again a clip if you want to clip it on your shirt or anywhere if you want. And this is where this is the thing that you put into your phone or laptop or anywhere which has like 3.5 mm jack. But first let me insert the battery. This is the battery that you get with this unit. So okay, okay, as you can see, it's showing the up should be positive and the down should be negative. Okay, so if I okay, this is the positive side, so we are supposed to keep it in the top. Like this is the positive side and it's showing the positive should be in top, so I will put it like this. And this thing is very hard to insert. Okay, so you just need to put some pressure on it and it will be inserted. And again, just tighten it up. But first let me make sure that I put it in the right way. Okay, yeah, I have definitely put it in the right way. Okay, so yes, now you get this little wire tighter. Okay, so the length is pretty big. If I like stretch it, it won't be fit into my video frame. And this is a velcro. Okay, this is a very nice thing that they have given. I liked it very much. There's again this tidier. Okay, so yeah, the wire is pretty big, and it will definitely won't fit in my the video frame. Now this is the microphone. Okay, as you can see, this is a microphone, and just see how tiny this is. Okay, and this is a pop filter, and you just okay, this is how you insert it. Okay, this is how you insert it. And if you want to use it with the clip, you definitely want to use it with the clip, otherwise it would not stick to its place. So what I need to do is, you see this area, this goes over here, yeah, and then you clip it like this. So I'll show you in a video. This is all about how it the physical overview. Now The length is pretty big. Okay, so now let's move to the mic testing. So okay, so right now the audio that you're hearing is from my iPhone 13, and it is like the audio is currently edited right now. Like there is behind the camera there is a hard wall. So like whenever I'm talking, it's kind of like reflecting back. So there's some sort of echo in the voice. But since I have edited the audio, so like the audio will sound like very crisp. But if I like to if I were to show you how my raw audio sounds from the iPhone 13, like this is how my raw audio sounds. So okay, so this is how my raw audio sounds from my iPhone 13. Now if I were to use this microphone, now I'll first attach it on my shirt, then I'll show you. So let me just first attach it to my shirt. So now then again, and then after that I'll show you the audio quality now. So okay, so right now the audio that you're hearing is from this BOYA M1, and the audio is in the raw state, like I haven't edited in it. So this is the raw unedited audio from this BOYA M1. And if I had to edit the audio, then in 3, 2, 1, right now the audio that you're hearing is from BOYA M1, and it has been edited on Final Cut Pro. So please tell me how much difference does it make. But for the rest of my video, I'll use the raw unedited audio from this BOYA M1. So if I have to switch back to the raw mode, then in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is a raw unedited audio from BOYA M1. And if I were to if I turn on the fan, but let me just first turn on the fan, as you can see, the fan is right over here, and if I had to turn it, okay, so right now the fan is on, and please tell me how the audio sound. This is in first mode, this is in second, and this is in third. Please tell me how does it sound from this BOYA M1. And it's very cold right now, so let me just turn it off. Okay, so yeah, so the fan is off right now, and if I were to add some traffic noise, let me just do that. Okay, this is the audio quality in traffic noise. It's a simulation of traffic noise. We'll see. So this is the audio quality. Okay, so yes, if I had to keep it in a distance, okay, so you must have background noise. So this is how it sounds when I clip it in my collar, and and this is how it sounds when I keep it at my very close to my mouth. So okay, if you can hear the traffic noise, then let's just see how it's performed right now. Yes, the mic mode is it is the raw unedited audio from this BOYA M1, and this is how it sounds from at a distance of this length. And if I move it over here, this is how it sounds, and if I keep it over here, this is how it sounds. This is an omnidirectional mic, so it will pick up in a 360, so all the noise that is received. So yes, if I just turn off the or the traffic noise, it's making very loud noise, by the way. So okay, this is the this is how it sounds when I keep it close to my mouth. And if I test some plosives, how much it is cancel that pop sound, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. So Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Okay, so this is how it sounds with the this pop filter. And if I just remove this pop filter, then okay, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Okay, so can you hear my plosives? So I'm currently blowing air right now onto this mic. Okay, fa fa, pick, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled pepper. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. I'm blowing very much air right now. And now it is pop filter. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Okay, so that's enough of it process, and let me just move to the main video. Okay, so if I just move this fan, it's looking very unprofessional right now. So okay, you might be wondering why I'm looking down. This is my script. So this is how it sounds like at this length. And if I had to move it this length, so what happens like so what happens like, you must be wondering, this is like a very cheap mic, right? When compared to flagship iPhone or S25 Ultra and those flagship phone. But the thing is that when you have a mic this close to your mouth, or if you like, if I okay, so if I just damn. Fuck. Okay. So this thing is messy. Okay, so okay, so when you have a mic, this is looking great. Okay, so man, I need to learn how to clip it on my shirt, right? I definitely need to learn. Okay, for this video let's just keep it like this. Why it's going down, man? Okay, let's just keep it over here. It's in perfect condition right now. So what happens, like you might be wondering like why it's sounding so great when compared to flagship iPhone Pro Max or Galaxy S25 Ultra and all those Ultra. This is because when you are shooting video with your phone, it's in a very like arm length, like it's more than my arm length. So what happens like when you have a microphone that is very further away from you, so what happens like the audio reflects back to microphone, so that kind of creates a very echo sound. But when you have a mic that it may be a cheap mic, but that doesn't matter, because when you put that mic close to your face, it kind of gives like a proximity effect. So that is a great thing of this microphone, because it gives a proximity effect, which is a very beneficial for to have a mic that is very close to your mic. In that way it kind of like it almost reject most of the background noise, because it's merely focuses more on your audio rather than your background noise. So if I have to like the next part, yes, this is the best part of this of this mic, like it like kind of like cancel all those background noise. And yes, since this had the proximity effect makes it very much good, so I think investing like 900 or like 1000 rupees on your mic to up your audio level, in like it makes total sense to me. But like this is a no-brainer thing. If you're a content creator or doing voiceover, then this is a no-brainer for me. And like if you do voiceover, then I would suggest you to put the mic very close to your mouth. In that way it will sound more good, and like it might give you a sense of a more premium microphone. And yes, like even though it's cheap, like you can definitely go for it, like it will definitely upgrade your audio quality. So yes, this is all about the BOYA M1. So please tell me in the comments like how the audio sounded. Like I haven't heard my sound. Like this is right now I'm recording the video. After recording I'll sound it, but let's just see how it sounds. Okay, so yes, so I checked the audio and it's very great. The audio quality is very great when compared to my iPhone 13. So I think you should definitely go for this, BOYA M1 mic, as this thing is like 900 rupees, like it costed me like 900, so you should definitely go for it. And yes, that's all about the BOYA M1. And please tell me in the comments like how you like the audio quality, and until then I'll see